like to wish Coach TJ Wilson and North Mac Panthers good luck with the rest of their season. You've had an excellent tournament. Good job, man. Since 1960, Athens High School has consistently competed for trophies on the fourth day of this tournament. They finished third in the Consolation Championship 3 times. They've had 4 fourth-place finishes, 6 third-place finishes, 3 runner-up finishes, and 3 Waverly Holiday Tournament Championships, one in 1961, one in 1966, and the most recent in 1978. And now, in 2012, they again are Waverly Holiday Tournament champions. So, Coach Johnston and Nathan Morgan, please come forward and accept this year's championship plaque and banner. And good luck to Athens High School with the rest of their season.